How to download song on Amazon Music. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can download song on Amazon Music. To download song from Amazon Music for offline listening, you'll need to active an Amazon Music subscription, such as Amazon Music Unlimited or Amazon Prime Music and Music and Amazon Music app. Here's how you can download. First of all, you need to download and install the Amazon Music app on your device. Otherwise, you can also do it from your web browser. For that, you need to type in www.amazon.com. And this is gonna direct you to the home page, and make sure that you're already logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the tab bar icon located in the upper left corner of your screen. As soon as you click on it, on the other half of your screen, you'll be able to find multiple options. So click on see all and you'll be able to see Amazon Music listed right at the bottom. So make sure that you already have your subscription. In my case, I don't have, so you'll not be able to see some certain interface. So what you need to do is basically, after you're on this page, you need to click on your Amazon Music account, and that is going to direct you to the music page. And what you need to do is, after you're on the page, you need to use the search bar or browse through the app to find a song or an album you want to download. When you find a song or album you want to download, tap on the three vertical dots next to it and select download or download album to start the downloading process. After you're done downloading it, you need to go to your My Music or library section of the app and then look for the downloaded or offline music section. Your downloaded song will be listed there. Basically, what you need to do is, once again, you need to come back to this page, and then you'll be able to find My Music and click on it, and then you'll be able to access your downloaded music. Now you can listen to the downloaded song whenever you're offline without using your mobile data. That is basically how you can download song on Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.